Ubak Charles Marngar, ubade UMLA ka mau hati constituency, kabadi ke constituency kebadan Marsenda, bat ko umsning constituency. Kabagi babun ki nong shong shnong ketika constituency jong u, ki penlong ya ko umsning kum ka wei neki ceka pedeng jong athan. Une UMLA, ubalai shimbenta nadu kapor ke bapoi menteri rangba, hadu kapor bawai ke jingya kendu jong u, ya ki nong ilam shnong bat ki pait ba ka umsning town. Haba jingkeran ha ke jingilang ke bala penlong ha auditorium hall jong ko umsning town dorbar. Ubak Charles Marngar ulapan pau, banalor ke jing pen i jong umsning town dorbar ye ki babun ki jing don kam jong athan, ulapan sngau ba ke jingking yat kijat, kabajam na siliang jong surok bypass, lane ka foot over bridge, kalong ke badon kam e kamtam nak benta ki kena school. Ha ke jingai jingkran jong u ha pedeng ke jingilang, UMLA ke mahoti ubak Charles Marngar, ulapan pau ya ke jing kublai ke ba kerpang ya menteri rangba, ubal ai bat penmi ya ka mahoti CNRD block ka ba menta kelas dang ban trekam ha ke than. Nangta ka surok ha ke than sonidan ka ba sau pau kilometer tam ka ba de ka surok ka ba ki pait ba ke than ki angnot la bun snem. Batru shushu ulapan kan mauru ba ke jing pen krek jong sarkar ban pli ya ka convention center hanong po kalalong ka jingirap ya ke district barok kawai bat ong banamar ba ke riboy district kalong ke district ka badon ya ki nong yelam ki babiang lese kala dai ka por bahar riboy district ontei no ya ka mini secretariat la ruban kedau ba ke sarkar jela dang hagi nagi kendiat sengi ki beladap kata ha ka arpu praterik risau arjar arpsan kalala ban peli ba ya ka mini secretariat ha penursla kabadang dei tangga civil subdivision kaban naga silam trekam shibun lala ban nyerap ya ki jingdon kam jong ba ka than bat la ban kedau ba ke riboy district kabala palat lai pos nam tam ka jingyo ya ke district ka bapura bat lese de ke jingmi jong ki nong mi khamat ki ba kum uba Charles Marngar ki bala don sisa ya ke jingang not ban kentiu om tang ya ka than la jong Henry ke jingsim jingkit kli ya ke district Borokawai kandai ke jingbu jing perkhat jong sarkar ban pej saya ke tei ke jingdawan ningkong na ke jingkren jong uba Charles Marngar.
So a little bit about Riboy. When we talk about Riboy, we can see how fast we are growing in all aspects in just few years. Riboy is a place where, as we say, we don't need to plan a pumpkin and a special system. Here we simply threw a seed in our garden, and few months later, we get many pumpkins. That is Riboy district, sir. That is how fertile and full of potential our district is. With the new convention center in Nongpo, I dream that under your leadership, sir, we will one day also see a mini secretariat in Riboy district. We are also grateful for the new CNRD block at Mahoti, sir. Thank you so much. Where the BDO has already joined and sanctioned an amount of rupees 4 crore 22 lakhs for the infrastructure. Thank you so much, sir, for the Sonidan Jaki Road, the pending road of 40 kilometers, which will be tendered in the first week of December this year. Thank you so much, sir. For your efforts, tireless efforts for the benefit and for the betterment of our people in the state. Sir, sometimes when I sit alone, I tell myself, if you continue, even in 2028, as a chief minister, Meghalaya will surely witness a brighter future. So we pray that God will continue to bless you. What Dr. Silingdok, Dr. Bam, and I'm standing here to support the town Darbar. Sir, Umsning town Darbar is an important place where people from Umsning and Mauhati and also from other constituency come every day for marketing in Umsning, at Umsning. Therefore, it needs further development, sir. Roads, playground, shopping complex, the parking lot, and many other facilities. Sir, ngangit kini ki rangba pilak kelet mana. I would like to request Honorable Chief Minister to kindly help us to get one crossing bridge at Umsning Bypass. It's urgently needed to protect our people, especially students who are across the road daily, sir. Through your visit, sir, I hope and I believe it's already a blessing for our people. As a public representative, I stand here to request all my dear friends, let us have a sense of gratitude. Pikloi na ban ai gajing support you chief minister but you MLA ujong pi. Pikloi na kuat ban keren shingentin ha kini kupor. Kadi ke sengi ke basak jing ken mau pi. Ngi dona palat gajing songo. Dona palat. Kelat keloi. Kani ke perthai mobile mental lei. Ting saya alam bekelai. Dari Madeira. Tena kata gadau aku abang ipi. Long ki bestar. Bishar bah. Husiar bah. But shua bapin rai ke rai ke jongpi. Dapusan bah. Yok kawan ke jing babe. Aku abang pen ken mau ipi. Ngaken mau ke por orang trai mahe si ong yang aku ni. Wat kelat ban ong ku blei. Bat kabaar. Nyau iki jingkerku. Ini di arti lagi poin bang kuat ban ken mau ipi. Bang ngimdei ban kelat ya ke balak lek bahayingi. Pikularem? Ta. Dr. Bom mandang ini trelang ngaru. I will work together with Dr. Bom. Most of the time I'm here in Umsning, sir. My village starts from the CHC. So we always together, we will work together. I'm very close with Umsning constituency. And many students from my constituency, they come to study here in Umsning. So once again, thank you so much, sir. Kublai shibun Dr. Bom lakot sombayanga, but kublai shibun wipila aiban keren yang nganom keren Islam, kapor kamsha and rei tangkawai session nga kerpat ipi. Let us unite and stand together. Tongin long gi bayitli, but in long kawai. Kiwan gijing pen shoyru pihak yang scam. Makamno mo ang pi ma. Dalak dep ni UCM un saai gijing don kam bar gijing kam pi. Dalak de gepor ong Dr. Bomba ekam nga pi ma yo klet pi. Biang ong kumta